guys. So today, Apple 2 Flash, I'm going to give the NB a quick scrub. Normally I would pull out the gurney and use the foam cannon. Can't really be bothered doing all that today, so just going to use the hose. Going to use a mix of, well, this isn't actually Maguire's gold. There is a little bit in there, but it was whatever was left. Plus we had a little bit of CT car wash. And then I'm going to throw a bit of chemical, guys, either Mr. Pink or Maxi Suds. And for the wheels, wheelie clean. And then I'll roll it around into the shed. I'm going to polish the rims. I'm going to clay bar the front window, probably the rear one on the hardtop too, and then I might just do all of them, and then just throw some Rain-X on it. But yeah, as you can see, the clear is getting worse. I was hoping to actually be able to remove the vents and paint it this week while I had the 7 days off, but spent a little bit more time than I thought I was going to on the rodeo, and then I had to go home because we had the tradies coming out yesterday fixing the shower. Waterproofing gave out, so yeah, I'll set it up and probably do a timeline. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it's turning purple, so just pulling all the iron out of the rims. So that's a good thing, it means it's working. Alright, so just had a quick tub. So now I'm just going to dry it down with a microfiber chamois. I used to use the old school leather chamois and the artificial leather chamois, but they scratch the shit out of your paint. And I mean, people can say, oh, you got to clean it properly. Yes, even with cleaning it properly, they pick up so much crap. And let's face it, the last one that I actually had that was any good was actually older than I am. And my father gave it to me. And then I lent it to someone to use to chamois their motorbike, and they decided to take to the engine and gearbox and pretty much ruined it, covered in grease and oil. So yeah, wasn't happy about that. And that was the last decent one that I've come across. So now the fun part, shamming. Reason I used two separate ones was because the clear is peeling from the bonnet, filling with water, peeling right off. So I didn't want to grab the clear and then drag it along the rest of the car. I mean, she is in need of a light, well, pretty much just a closed door respray. You know, being such a low car, stone chips. It's actually what caused the failure on the bonnet. Hindsight, stuff like this, I should have just gone over it with some touch-up paint. Or I've got the airbrush, so should have at least attempted to do a little touch-up of clear with the airbrush gun. But the rest of the car isn't too bad. I need to scrape off here. See the old outline of my old sticker. It said don't panic, and then upside down it said okay panic. But yeah, other than that, it's fairly straight. It's got some small little dents here and there that I pick up on every now and again. Generally when I'm washing it is when I find the defects, but the rest is just your average daily driving life, like all the little stone chips here. Some new clay. Maguire's had a sale, pack of 3, I think 20 bucks, $15, something like that, at super cheap auto. Had to go past to grab a 500mm long 1/2 inch extension, just so I can continue going on the Rodeo to drop the gearbox. Because I couldn't reach, I didn't have a long enough extension to undo the valve housing bolts. And just use some glass cleaner as some lube. The razor blade. Let's see if I can set this up. There. Alright, it's pretty much gone except for when it's wet, then you can see it, but still it doesn't matter. I'm probably going to replace it anyway. Now the next step's going to be using Rain-X, or the equivalent, since my actual genuine Rain-X is up and wandered off. So it's pretty much put that on the microfiber towel, rub it on, let it haze over and buff it off, and you're good to go. Put Fog-X on the inside, as this is a non-demisted rear window on the hardtop. It works, I can't really complain. Anyone that's got one of these will know. Fogs up, can be a pain in the ass. And I've even done it on the driver's window as well, because I've got my AEM AFR gauge there. So, and that little vent doesn't really get the most air out. Just using a cheap microfiber applicator pad. And then you wait till it flushes over and hazes up. Sorry. Might have to roll it out. Yeah, I'll roll her out. Do the next one in the sunlight. So this is one I just done when it wants to focus. This one's not touched. They both look kind of glossy. Yeah, I'm not doing in the barrel. My cousin, on the other hand, we used to go to the car wash at night, purposely late at night. He'd jack his VT Senator up on jack stands, take all four wheels off, and then clean the wheels, the face, the barrel, dry them, and then put them back on the car. I'm not going to that extent. Alright, so this is the easiest way to show you the difference. So I've quickly polished just the outside, but not the actual spokes. So that's the difference with just a quick once over. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Again, I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up properly. I'll do one of these ones. Now the only problem with this stuff is that if you drive through dust and dirt and debris, fine debris, it will stick to it. But it looks good. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for hanging around. Leave a like if you liked it, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one.